Welcome to this sacred journey into the life and divine acts of Lord Shiva, the Adiyogi, the destroyer of evil, and the eternal protector of the universe. Today, we will explore Shiva's timeless existence, his family, and his unmatched contribution to the balance of creation and destruction. Lord Shiva has no beginning and no end. He is timeless, beyond the confines of creation and destruction. Known as Rudra in the Vedas, he represents fierce power, while as Shiva, he embodies infinite calmness and bliss. Key points: Shiva is part of the Trinity, Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. His role as the destroyer signifies the removal of old, making way for new creation. Shiva is both Nirguna, formless, and Saguna, with form. Shiva's story is also one of love and sacrifice. Sati, the daughter of King Daksha, was destined to marry him. Her devotion to Shiva was unparalleled. Sati performed severe penance to marry Shiva. Despite Daksha's disapproval, they married, symbolizing divine love. At a grand yagya hosted by Daksha, Sati felt insulted by her father's mockery of Shiva and immolated herself. Unable to bear the loss of Sati, Shiva's grief turned into fury, leading to the Tandava, the dance of destruction. Vishnu intervened to save the cosmos, dispersing Sati's body into 51 parts, which became the sacred Shakti Pithas. Sati was reborn as Parvati, the daughter of King Himavan and Queen Mena. She was destined to reunite with Shiva, and her journey of devotion began anew. From their union came two sons, each with divine purposes: Ganesha, the remover of obstacles, and Kartikeya, the god of war. Key stories: Ganesha's creation and the replacement of his head with an elephant's after Shiva accidentally beheaded him. Kartikeya's birth to defeat the demon Tarakasura and his role as the commander of the celestial army. Key points: Parvati performed penance to win Shiva's love. Shiva tested her devotion but eventually accepted her. Their union marked the balance of Shakti, energy, and Shiva, consciousness. Shiva's divine interventions showcase his unmatched power and compassion for the universe. Samudra Manthan. Shiva drank the poison, Halhala, that emerged during the churning of the ocean, turning his throat blue, Nilkant. Ganga's descent, to save the earth. Shiva captured the mighty Ganga in his matted hair. Every aspect of Shiva symbolizes deep spiritual truths. Key symbols: Shiva Linga represents the formless and infinite nature of Shiva. Trishul, trident, creation, preservation, and destruction. Third eye, the eye of wisdom and destruction of ignorance. Snake around neck, control over desires and ego. Tripura Samhara. Shiva destroyed the 3 demon cities with a single arrow. Kalantika story. He defeated Yama, the god of death, to save his devotee Markandeya. Shiva is not just a god, he is a way of life. His teachings inspire us to find balance, practice detachment, and achieve inner peace. Let us bow to Lord Shiva, the eternal light within us all. Om Namah Shivaya.